Hey, designers, let's quickly create this growing plant animation. Take a new composition. Go to Layer. New, Solid. OK. In Effects and press its search, Gradient Ramp. Drag and drop it on the solid layer. Give it a gradient of your choice. I'll lock this solid layer. Take the pen tool and draw a shape like this. I'll put it on the bottom center. Let's lock it as well. Take the pen tool now. Draw a curvy line here. You can even draw a straight line. Remove fill. Give it a stroke. Make sure the stroke weight is thick enough. Shape properties. Contents. Shape 1. Stroke 1. Taper properties. Increase the start length. Good. Now add trim paths properties. Make the start 100%. Add a keyframe. Move the bar to the 15th frame. Make it 0. Close the shape properties now. Duplicate it by pressing Ctrl D on your keyboard. Right-click. Transform. Flip horizontal. Move it to the right side. Good. Let's duplicate it again. Adjust position. Make it small a bit. Give it a darker shade. Rename it to small. Duplicate this small layer. Right-click. Transform, flip horizontal. Rotate and adjust its position. Take the pen tool and make another line like this. Give it a brown shade. Go to its properties. Contents, Shape 1. Stroke 1. Taper properties. Increase the strat length. Good. Now add trim paths properties. Make sure the bar is on the first frame. Make the start 100%. Add a keyframe. Move the bar to the 20th frame. Make it 0. I'll rename it to brown. Duplicate this brown layer. Right-click. Transform. Flip horizontal. Adjust the position. Let's give it a bit darker shade. Move this layer down, because the darker part is always at the back. You're almost done. We just need to unlock the shape we made in the start. Move it on top. Good. As a beginner, I hope this video helped you in improving and getting more ideas about the options After Effects offers. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.